In this stunning landscape, the steel Mess 661CM roars to life with its powerful 6.7 horsepower engine, slicing through timber as if it were a hot knife through butter. Watch as each colossal tree yields to its razor-sharp blade, leaving a trail of timber in its wake. Each cut is executed with remarkable finesse, showcasing the perfect blend of engineering excellence and human skill. If I were in the operator's seat, I'd definitely feel a bit nervous, but watching it in action is absolutely thrilling. Isn't it incredible how technology empowers us to work harmoniously within nature? Amidst the frosty landscape of Pärnu Port, Estonia, a massive crane tirelessly swings into action, hoisting logs onto the waiting ship. The wind whistles its icy tune, while the engines create an industrial symphony, turning this winter wonderland into a bustling hive of activity. It's a perfect blend of nature's chill and the raw power of machinery at work.
Site.
Take a look at that breathtaking scene. A lumber truck winding through the forest feels like an adventure just waiting to unfold. The sun filters through the trees, casting a lovely, soft glow that seems almost surreal. But when that truck approaches a tight corner, it transforms into a nail-biting movie moment. It's a captivating dance between nature and machinery, full of anticipation and excitement. What a delightful way to kick off the day. We're unloading timber in the stunning landscapes of Poland, and the atmosphere is simply fantastic. It's mesmerizing to watch how everyone coordinates so seamlessly, almost like a beautifully choreographed dance. Each machine moves with precision and grace, making the whole process look effortless. Have any of you ever witnessed such incredible efficiency up close? It's truly something special. Wow, just look at that. The Komatsu 931 XC&C 144 looks like it stepped right out of a sci-fi movie. No matter how challenging the terrain, this machine grips the ground and powers through with ease. The cutting head almost seems alive, voraciously munching on logs as if it can't get enough. Have you ever considered the level of skill it takes to master a machine like this? It's truly impressive. Now, this is what I call a visual joyride. Just look at that Volvo FH16, effortlessly carrying those gigantic logs through the heart of the Swedish wilderness. It's as if the truck is embarking on an epic adventure of its own, conquering the rugged terrain with power and grace. Watch as the Tiger Cat 635 skidder tears through the forest, its powerful diesel engine unleashing around 200 horsepower. This beast moves with the strength and dedication of a tireless worker, effortlessly hauling timber back to the landing. For an investment of $200,000 to $300,000, you can own this true titan of the forestry industry. A machine built to handle the toughest jobs with ease. That's a storm. In the heart of a raging blizzard, the timber truck stands its ground, defying the snow that tries to swallow it whole. Yet, the seasoned driver pushes forward through the chaos with unwavering resolve, conquering the elements with sheer skill and tenacity. It's a true battle of man and machine against nature's fury. Loading timber at night during a snowfall is no ordinary job. It's a true test of skill and professionalism. The heavy, slippery wood adds an extra layer of risk, requiring operators to handle every move with absolute precision. With visibility reduced to almost nothing, it demands unwavering focus and caution, making it one of the most challenging tasks in the industry. The sharp screech of brakes mingles with the whispers of the trees, painting a vivid scene of intensity and suspense. Each heart-stopping turn clings to the steep hills, pushing drivers to their absolute limits and testing their nerve with every twist and drop. Amidst the frosty landscape of Pärnu Port, Estonia, a massive crane tirelessly swings into action, hoisting logs onto the waiting ship. The wind whistles its icy tune, while the engines create an industrial symphony, turning this winter wonderland into a bustling hive of activity. It's a perfect blend of nature's chill and the raw power of machinery at work.